In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a text behind person effect using CapCut. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now in here, go ahead and click on the new project in the platform. And in here, go ahead and click on the video that you want to add on your canvas. Now on your canvas, go ahead and click on the text tool, which you'll find at the tools section at the bottom of your screen, and click on add text. And here, go ahead and enter the text that you want to add for this video. Just go ahead and enter the text in this section. After you enter the text, you can further customize how it will look like for your video. Clicking on the font section, you'll be able to find all of the fonts available on the platform that you can choose from. By heading over to the styles, you can further customize your text and how your text will look like. And by heading over to the animation section, you can add a in and out animation for your text that will allow you to give your text transitions. So after you do this, just go ahead and save the changes for this text section. After you save the changes for the text, go ahead and drag the text be of the same length as your video. After you do that, just go ahead and click on the export button at the top right corner of your screen to be able to export your video into your device. So just go ahead and click on the export button to export this video to your device, and this might take a while for you to export depending on how heavy the file that you're going to export is. After that, just go ahead and click on the new project and add your exported video in the section, and click on the add button, and this will be added to your canvas. Now after you do that, just go ahead and click on the overlay button that you'll find at the tools section, and click on add overlay. Now in here, go ahead and add your original video as an overlay to your exported video. Make sure that the size of the original video fits the size of the exported video. After that, just go ahead and click on remove BG at the tools section. Be able to remove the background of your original video. Just go ahead and click on your original video, and this will allow you to find this tool section, and click on the remove BG and click on auto removal to remove the background of your video automatically. After that, just go ahead and click on the check button, and once you play this video, you'll be able to find the text behind the individual on the video. And that is how you can simply create a text behind person effect on CapCut.